Welcome to Dreger's Clubhouse in Burlington, Washington. You're looking at a 1930 Model A Sport Coupe. It's not a real convertible, the top does not go down, but it is canvas, and it has a rumble seat. Great little car.
Hi, my name is Jerry Dreger. I own Dreger's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington. We just moved in here, and we got a neat spot here to sell classic cars and motorcycles and trucks out of. Plus it's like a museum. And we just bought this 1930 Model A here. Look at there, it's got a rock shield on it, on the radiator there. It's really a pretty damn nice little car. It's a Sport Coupe is what it's called. It's got a canvas top on it. They do not fold down. It's not a convertible. So anyway, we haven't touched it yet. I mean, this thing will clean up a lot better. We get scrubbing on those white walls there. That'll all look good. You just see it. Just really a nice car. This is a part of the sport package. It's got the deal there. It's got a rumble seat in it. There's a step pad right there for it, and another one back there on the rear bumper there to step up on there. You see, I mean, it's a cute car. I like the color combination. It's different than what you normally see. Also, it has an alternator on it, which is not too normal, so it's been upgraded a bit. And again, it's all really good. There's a quick look at the clubhouse. We got a lot of neat things here to see. I should have had the neon turned on for this, but I don't right now. Thing runs good. And he drove it here. He didn't hesitate about driving it here. When I bought it, he drove it over. He had about 20 miles to come to get here. Anyway, it's a good looking car. Neat Model A. I like Model A's. Model A's are so neat. They're very forgiving. They're very tough. Clean and nice inside. All that's good. Got a cloth interior and cloth rumble seat. There's the bows for the top. And you can look at that steering wheel. That steering wheel's in nice condition. This whole car is in really nice condition. And it has turn signals too. Look at that. I don't know if they work. That's a good question. Let's go check it out. Well, look at there. They have turn signals. How's that? Don't see that too often. The horn kind of honks. The lights work. One light, but I probably don't have the switch all the way over like I should. So I'm sure it works. Well, I missed it again. If I put it on the high beam, I'll bet it works. But I looked at both lights and they were working. Wow. Well, we'll get that working. Who knows? Anyway, if you want a nice Model A, and it's missing. The light is broken down in here. The stud is broken on that other light on the other side. Yellow here, but it's more of a caramel color, I'd say, instead of yellow. Spare tire on there. That for closing. I don't know if you saw it or not. That closes good. How's the window work? Oh, look at there. That window just works nice and smooth. Everything works good. Sounds good. Again, you can see all that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and give us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about it.